What happens when cutting-edge gaming tech meets high fashion? You get the all-new limited edition Backbone Pro controller, crafted in collaboration with the iconic American brand Kith. This isn't just any controller. It's a stylish statement piece that elevates your gaming setup with a fresh, translucent design paired with subtle gray buttons and crisp white lettering. And for the first time, Backbone teams up with Kith to bring this exclusive look to life. Unlike some previous special editions, this one features an Xbox layout designed to meet the preferences of Xbox fans and mobile gamers alike. Connectivity? Seamless. This controller plugs directly into your smartphone via USB-C for ultra-responsive gameplay. But that's not all. It also works wirelessly over Bluetooth, supporting tablets, PCs, and even smart TVs. Thanks to its built-in battery, you can enjoy up to 40 hours of playtime on a single charge. That means marathon gaming sessions without interruption. When you order the Kith X Backbone Pro, expect nothing less than premium packaging designed to match the exclusivity of this collaboration. Mark your calendar, this limited edition drops exclusively on Kith's website at 11 a.m. EST on December 5th. But beware, quantities are extremely limited, so if you want to secure this unique collector's item, you'll have to act fast. While Backbone hasn't announced the official price for this edition, it's expected to be in the same range as their premium models, which retail between $170 and $180 USD. For those who want to blend style, performance, and exclusivity, the Kith X Backbone Pro controller is more than just a gaming accessory. It's a must-have statement piece. Don't miss out on this fusion of fashion and gaming tech. Stay tuned and get ready to level up your setup like never before.